Hello friends, today I am going to unbox my new kitchen burner. So recently I bought it from Lidl, and as you can see here, uh, it's a very useful tools for the kitchen. When you prepare the food, then you can garnish the food, you can burn little bit top of the food. Also you can do like to when you prepare the chicken or duck, then you burn the chicken skin or duck skin little bit, then you cook, then it will be more tastier. So it has various uses for the kitchen, to prepare the food, making the food. So it's very useful, and the brand name is Aula, and it's written in German, uh, Kuchenbrenner. It's mean in English kitchen burner. And as you can see here, there is a small tube with gas, liquid gas, to fill in the gas to the burner, and then it's ready to go. And it's German made. And here are some examples. So let's unbox. Okay. Okay, so there is another box inside the main box. Okay, so as I said, so this is the main device, the burner, and this is the small liquid tube, the liquid gas. So we need to fill out inside this burner, and then it's ready to go. And as usual, we got some user manuals, the documentation how to use it. So it's very normal things for all the unboxing. So, and as you see here, the it's a sticker, the brand name of this burner, and some specifications, some functions are here. Here is that gas plus and minus, I mean plus and minus, to increase or decrease the gas flow. And this is the lock button. Here you can lock and unlock. So yeah, see, so there is already some gases inside, and this is the extra liquid gas tube. So when it's empty totally, then we can fill in with the extra liquid. So see, and when I lock, then no. So that's it from today. See you in another video. Until then, bye.